Are you ready? Let's dive in.
When James volunteered to organize the office party, manage the budget, and design the decorations all by himself, his co-workers warned him, "Don't bite off more than you can. Chew. Eat. Swallow. Serve." The correct answer is chew. The idiom "bite off more than you can chew" means taking on too many responsibilities or trying to do more than you're capable of handling. Just like if you put too much food in your mouth, you might choke. If you take on too much work, you might struggle or fail. Even though she was upset, Mia stayed calm during the meeting and didn't her cool lose, break, burn, crack. The correct answer is lose. The idiom "lose your cool" means to suddenly become angry or emotional. Instead of rushing into the project, the manager said, "Let's play it and see how things go first. Hard, smooth, smart, safe." The correct answer is safe. The idiom "play it safer" means to be cautious and avoid taking unnecessary risks. The manager wanted to move carefully and avoid mistakes, especially in the beginning stages. Tom had no idea how to fix the leaking pipe, but he said, "I'll just it as I go. Figure. Wing. Skip. Fake." The correct answer is wing. The idiom "wing it" means to do something without preparation, to improvise. Tom didn't plan in advance but decided to handle things spontaneously. She messed up the presentation, but instead of apologizing, she just tried to it under the rug. Sweep. Push. Hide. Mop. The correct answer is sweep. The idiom "sweep it under the rug" means to hide or ignore a mistake or problem instead of addressing it. It's like pretending something didn't happen so nobody will notice. I know you're nervous, but it's time to the bullet and give the speech. Chew. Dodge. Bite. Throw. The correct answer is bite. The idiom "bite the bullet" means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. Even if it's painful or scary, you just do it and get it over with. After months of struggling with the old laptop, he finally decided to the plug and buy a new one. Pull. Push. Switch. Cut. The correct answer is pull. The idiom "pull the plug" means to stop or end something completely, especially when it's no longer working or worth continuing. He decided to stop using the old laptop and move on. When Emma started panicking before the test, her friend said, "Hey, get a. You've got this. Grip. Chill. Shot. Rest." The correct answer is grip. The idiom "get a grip" means to calm down and regain control of your emotions or actions. Emma's friend was encouraging her to stop panicking and focus. "We didn't know what to do when the event got cancelled, but luckily Sarah up with a backup plan. Showed. Came. Fixed. Wrote." The correct answer is came. The idiom "came up with" means to think of or create an idea or solution. Sarah quickly found a new plan when things went wrong, a great example of thinking on your feet. When the plan started falling apart, they realized they had to go back to the board. Drawing. Strategy. Thinking. Idea. The correct answer is drawing. The idiom "back to the drawing board" means to start over from the beginning because the first attempt didn't work. It's like erasing a bad sketch and making a new one.
How did you do? Drop your score in the comments and let's see who's the ultimate quiz master. Want more fun quizzes? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a challenge. New quizzes are coming soon, so stay sharp and keep learning. Until next time, stay curious and keep quizzing.